Good evening, everyone. My name is Renuka, and I'm a quality analyst in 5 Digital Paper. So, basically, today it's a very important class on advanced Excel. So, the topics we are going to cover is if, nested if, and sum ifs. So, what is the difference between if and nested if? So, very first, we all need to remember one thing that we really don't need to remember any single formula. All we need to remember is just one thing, that is what kind of possible formulas are available, because all these logical codings we cannot learn, we cannot memorize. This is really tough. But here, our friend computer, laptop always suggest you what the next step you have to follow if you are going to use any formula. Suppose if you are using if formula, right? So first of all you have to write if, okay? Then bracket open. Just you will write bracket open parenthesis, then you will get the formula here written, whatever I have written also there. First of all, logical test means the condition you are putting, based on that you are going to have a result. So the simple thing is I put the result is, basically I have did if C6 means this value. You can see here C6. What is this? The marks of Renuka. So if C6 is greater than 40, then the result will be pass or else fail. Okay, so both these are results. This value pass is when the condition will be true, this is when the condition will be false. Okay, so let's apply this live. Okay, so I have written all these formulas here also if you want to write. So first of all we have to put if bracket open, and I select this column because I cannot put value, keep on putting value, because we have to manage a lot of data at once. So we will just apply variables and just drag that, and it will be automatically applied on other cells. Okay, so we will select that column, that cell where the input value is. Okay, so the input value is in C6. Okay, fine. Then comma. Okay, sorry. Then the condition, that is if C6 is greater than 40, you can put 40, 30, 50, anything. Okay, so I have put here 40. So if C6 greater than 40, then here I have put the logical test, then it is comma. Then here we will put the value, what if it is true. So if it is true means the value, if it is more than 40, then it is going to pass. Okay, so whenever you write any statement or any word, you require apostrophe, right? So here you have to write under apostrophe or inverted comma. Sorry, it's not apostrophe, it's a double inverted comma. So we will write pass here. Okay, okay, so it will be pass. If again, so what we will have to do, you can just, you should not place the closing bracket, otherwise you won't get the options like what are the rest formulas you have to apply, right? So I just remove the parenthesis closed, then comma it is written here. Okay, so after comma what you will have to do is value if the condition is false, means the condition you applied here, if it will be false means it is not more than 40, means it is equal to 40 or less than 40, then it will be fail. So what I said, for writing any statement or word, we require double inverted comma. Okay, so we will write here fail. What if we will not write that, and we will not apply this double inverted comma? Then what will happen, I will show you. First of all, just enter this. Okay, now what we will have to do is just drag this. Okay, it is, this is hindering to do my task, so I remove that. So now you can see every result is perfect here. Okay, so here it is 45, so it is more than 40, so obviously pass. It is 24, so less than 40 it is fail, and so on. So this is the result you got that I have already applied, and these all are, correct. Okay, so what if I'll remove this inverted comma? If I'll remove this inverted comma, then what will happen? This will give error because a word or statement requires a inverted comma. Okay, so please put this whenever you write any kind of word, statement or character. If it is a value, okay, like any digits, numbers, then you can just write as it is after comma. There is no need of inverted comma. Okay, so this is clear, I hope. So this was all about if statement. Okay, so if condition is helpful in various way, but there are some, I can say, first of all you have to copy this formula here, and the shortcut you can apply is just, if you want to, you can drag like this, or you can just do select this and type press Ctrl D. So the above formula will be copied here, or above value will be copied in the below cell. Okay, or if you want this to write of this, you have to type or press Ctrl R. So here you can see the formula applied. Okay, Ctrl R if I did. So this is very easy for putting formula or values. So Ctrl D, Ctrl R is a very important shortcut key. Always apply this, as I always do. Just regardless of Ctrl C and Ctrl V, this is boring now. Now you have to apply Ctrl D and Ctrl R. This is going to save you time. So now nested if. For nested if, all we need to do is, first of all, what are the benefits of this? So benefit of nested if you want maximum or multiple conditions and multiple results, so you would require nested if. Okay, like here I have applied, if this value C17, okay, C17, you can see here 17 is the row and C is the column. Okay, so C17, if it is more than 60, then distinction. If C17 greater than 40, then pass, or else fail. Okay, so you can see here it is fail, it is not written in inverted comma, so it has not affected the result because the marks is more than 60. If I'll do the same here, the the result will be affected because here the value is less than 40 or 60, and it will be fail, so fail will not come. Like, let's check. So again error came. So always remember to do, put inverted comma. So here also I have written the formula for this, but as I have already told you, really don't need to remember anything. So just I am keeping this aside and putting the formula here. How equals to what I am using, f. Okay, make it open. If this value is greater than 60, then distinction, or you can say excellent. You can see everything is written here, but until now it is just working as a single if. So now you have to put if again, then break it open, then it will show you the further formula. So if again you have to put the logical test. So for this you have to click here again, greater than or less than, whatever you want here. So greater than you put, because less than is automatically be calculated for the false value. Okay, so for here I have put it 40. If C17 is greater than 40, then value if true means if the value gets true, the score is more than 40, then it will print good. Okay, else value if false. Need to work hard. Okay, so you have to keep remember that if you will keep using arrow here, and by using keyboards it will show this kind of error. Just cut that and use your mouse. So here I'll put not better luck next time. Better luck next time. Okay, now all I have to do is closing the bracket, right? So the bracket it is showing here as the middle bracket. Don't use that. This is only for separation purpose. The only bracket we have to use is parenthesis. Okay, the and the just beginning, and in the middle this one. Okay, after just if, and at the end. So we can see here it is two open parentheses. So we require two closing parentheses and then enter. If you want to do that, you will definitely get the wrong result. Okay, so as I said, control D I'll not drag, or I'll not do any boring things. So here better luck next time came for the value that is less than 40 or even less than 60. So here it worked. Okay, so I would suggest to use this beautiful and amazing formula without memorizing any of it. Okay, so here for your reference purpose I have written this. However, always refer to the formula that is getting suggested by Excel only. Okay, so now it is some ifs. Okay, some ifs are something like you have to sum something, some numbers. Okay, when there are multiple conditions, when there are multiple conditions, then you have to sum anything, then it is sum ifs. Okay, so what we will do is equals sum if. Okay, press the tab button, it will directly come the formula, and then here you are getting some range option. So the value that to be sum. You have to always remember from the field value, field name to field total value. You have to do this. Okay. So, okay. Then comma. Then criteria range 1. What is the criteria range 1? Product name. So I'll go to after comma criteria range 1. Then it is criteria 1. So put comma, and what is the criteria 1 here? I'll have to manually do this. So this is the place I'm unable to show you. Just suppose it is the this cell here, just below the product name it is here. Due to formula it is hiding. So again put comma and criteria range 2. So it is getting bold, that you have to select. So criteria range 2 is region, right? Then put comma and now criteria 2. Okay, so criteria 2 is where it is in just below here, just left of quantity sold, and just below that means at it is which column? I, and which row it is? So I-29 it is. Okay, so now I'll have to just close the bracket. Okay, now enter. So printers at Ranchi location, it is total of 95. Let's cross check this. So printer at Ranchi location, printers at Ranchi location total of, so this one, hold control and click other value that you want. Again hold control and other value. Okay, so now you can see here the sum, it is 95. So total you found 95. If you will change here the criteria value, like it is GSR, right, it will show 0 because there is no value for printers are in just Ranchi location, you can see. Okay, if I'll select mouse product name here, let's see what happens. Now in JSR mouse is available for two places. Here it is 1 2. Okay, so one it is this and second this, so total of 32 sum you can see here. So it is totally going to help you guys, so try this. Okay, don't use any boring formula and keep chasing your work. Just use these formulas and definitely it is going to help you, I think. Thank you. Please subscribe and share for more videos, comment, and if any suggestions please comment. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.